Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to create animation in Krita. So there is one really simple method to do it. First we need to create a new project. So I go to File, then I go to New, and here we have something like Design Templates. We need to open this tab, and now I select Design Cinema Template and I click Use this template. After a moment, template will be successfully displayed here. But we are interested in to add one more option. We need to go to settings, we need to go to Dockers, and here we have animation timeline. We need to check this option, and now timeline should be successfully displayed here. So now we need to add here a new object. So for example, I click on ellipse tool and I will create here a simple ellipse. I click and hold left mouse button here, I press and hold shift, and I create a simple circle. Now I click right mouse button here on the keyframe and I click create duplicate frame. Now I click right mouse button here on the second keyframe and I click paste keyframes. Then I go to this one option, move a layer, and I change position of the circle somewhere here. After that I go to the third keyframe and I click paste keyframes. Now again I change position of this object to the downside, and we need to repeat this action a few times. So I click right mouse button here, I select paste keyframes, I change position of the circle to the downside, and now again I click right mouse button here on the next keyframe, I click paste keyframes, but this time I will change position to the upper side. Now I click right mouse button here again, I click paste keyframes and I change position to the upper side. Okay, maybe one more time, so I click right mouse button here, I click paste keyframes and I change position to the upper side. Then I click right mouse button here and I click here set end time. Then I click right mouse button on the first keyframe and I click set start time. So now we can play our animation with a bouncing circle. So I click play pause option, and how you see our simple animation has been successfully created here. So it is how you can easily animate objects in Krita. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and let me know in comment if it solved your problem.